What's up, people? So I saw this butterfly design by Kot's Classic Creations on Instagram, and I decided to recreate it. Okay, so and I also noticed that she used hearts as a part of the butterfly wing, and I was so excited, and I just had to recreate the whole hairstyle. So first of all, we're going to start with the right part of our butterfly design. We're going to just part out a section for the butterfly antenna, and then the two layers of the wings, that's the top half and the bottom half of the butterfly wing. So when you're done with the first part and the second part, just start. The first part is definitely a heart, and that heart is so beautiful. So this is the whole sectioning for the whole butterfly hair. Then we're going to start with the heart section for the top half of the butterfly. So you're going to carve out your heart shape. The first part is like number 3, since it's like lying down or like diagonal way. So since the heart is not straight, so this is like a number 3 with triangles. Yes, so this is the heart shape that I parted out. The first top extra is going to be part of the antenna of the butterfly, while the bottom extra is going to add to the lower half of the butterfly wing. So here I'm just sectioning the second half of the butterfly wing. It's going to be like an oval shape, a long oval shape. So that's it, and I sectioned it, I kept it. Then the extra that is in the middle of the hair is going to be the base, or let me say the tail of our butterfly. So when you're done with that, you just start by sectioning the antenna. So yes, this is the section for the antenna. I didn't want my antenna to be too thin or too big, so I just did it in medium size. Then we're just going to repeat the process for the left part of the butterfly design. So we're just going to repeat the process, the partings of the hair. So once you're done with that, you're going to start by weaving the both antennas together. So just weave the both antennas together. That's what I'm doing. Then once you're done with that, you're going to move over to the next part, which is the heart of the first wing. Yes, that is the wings, the top half of the wings. That's the heart braid. So for the heart, we're just going to part it into 2 halves as usual. Then we're going to part it diagonally at the top from the middle to the side of the hair as usual for the both parts. Then we're going to weave it from we're not doing the normal heart pattern, we're just going to weave it from the innermost part. Since it's just a one line heart, you're going to weave it from the innermost part to the outermost part and then to the curve. So here I've started the weaving. I started from the left hand part of the hearts that we parted into 2. So you're just going to keep on watching to see how I achieved this particular heart braid. Yeah, so this is what the heart looks like, a one line heart braid. Yes, this is just it. So we're gonna move over to the next part, which is the ovally looking part of the braid. That's the lower part of the butterfly wing, and we're just going to weave it from the innermost part of the hair to the outermost part of the hair. We're going to weave it from the left part also. Sorry, from the left part of the two hair. Just going to weave it and then you curve it. So just keep on watching. So this is what the half of the butterfly looks like, and we're just going to repeat the same process for the second half of the butterfly. So you're just going to keep on watching, and I'm going to meet you at the end of this video. Okay, so here we are done with the whole butterfly design, and this is what it looks like with all the sections. So now we're just going to weave it all together from the antenna down to the first half of the wing, to the second half of the wing, and to the leftover section in the middle of the braid that is going to act as the tail of the butterfly design. So this is the whole hair, this is the butterfly design. As you can see, it's very pretty, and I'm going to make it pop with some rainbow colored string and my crochet pin to add some shimmer and shine to the butterfly wing and the body of the antenna. So just keep on watching. So people, this is the whole hair. This is me cutting the extras of the string, and this is what the butterfly looks like. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Yay.